Hello, my dear friend. I'm sure you know very well that nowadays people are using phrases to make their conversation impressive. So it has become very important for us to know about these phrases. In this video, I'm going to share more than 60 common phrases which are very powerful. So without wasting any time, let's watch this video. First phrase is I am just kidding. Means I'm joking. I am freezing. What is the meaning of I'm freezing? Means I'm feeling very cold. Sounds like a plan. Means that's a good idea. It's on the house. Means it's free. Means you don't need to pay. I'm bored. Means I'm not having fun. Count me in. What is the meaning of count me in? Means I'll be part of it. Means I want to join. Don't push it. Means stop asking too much. What a mess. Means this place is not clean and tidy. Don't blame me. Means it's not my fault. It means I didn't do it. I am almost done. Means I am nearly finished. I will think about it. Means I need time to decide. I'll get back to you. Means I'll tell you later. I am here for you. Means I will support you. I have plans. Means I am busy. It means I have something to do. Let me know if you need anything. Means just ask if you need help. How is everything? Means is everything okay? Seriously? Means are you telling the truth? Tell me more. Means give me details. It's better than nothing. Means it's not great but it's okay. I'll be there soon. Means I will arrive in a short while. He is not my type. What is the meaning of he is not my type? Means he is not the kind of person I like. I am doing this for you. Means my actions are to help you. I am not giving up. Means I will keep trying. We need to find him. Means we need to search for him. Now look what you did. Means see the bad result of your action. This is our only chance. Means this is the one opportunity we have. Don't be mad at me. Means don't be angry with me. You are going to regret this. Means you will feel sorry for this. We have nothing in common. Means we are very different. What's your point? Means what are you trying to say? It's only a matter of time. Means it will happen soon. Don't take this wrong way. Means don't misunderstood me. Don't hold your breath. Means don't wait for it. Hit the brakes. Means stop the car. Speed up. Means go faster. It's a waiting game. It's a waiting game. Means we have to wait and see what happens. I can't wait. Means I am very excited. You have a point. Means what you said is true. Don't play game with me. Means be serious with me. Don't throw in the towel. Means don't give up. It means keep trying. Don't play dumb with me means stop acting like you don't understand. You are playing with fire means you are doing something dangerous. What's your angle means what are you trying to say? What are you staring at means why are you looking at me? There is something you need to see means I want to show you something important. Just hear me out means listen to me completely. Is that a fact? It means is that really true? That's a hard no. Means I completely disagree. What do you say? Means what is your opinion? I don't buy it. Means I don't believe it. It's not that simple. Means it's not easy. What's the deal? Means what's going on? What's the catch? Means what's the trick? Means what's the hidden problem? It's not a big deal. Means it's nothing important. Let's not talk about it. Means forget it. I'm sorry to hear that. Means I feel very bad for you. Make yourself at home. Means feel relaxed. Means be comfortable here. That's not what I meant. Means you understood me wrong. It's worth it. Means it's a good choice. So my friend, that's all for the today. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like button and subscribe my channel and share this video to others as well. So see you in next video. Till the time, goodbye. Thank you for watching this video. Take care of yourself.